we were talking about the cost of healthcare in a video. And this person heard that I paid around $1,800 a month. And they said, $1,800 a month and you still pay co-payments and deductibles? Yeah, let me make sure that I give you precise numbers. Now I'm going to pull up my computer screen, which I don't normally have up when I'm making video content, which is why I seem a little bit more shadowed from this side. But it's going to look like I'm standing on a runway airport in a moment because I keep my screen very bright, so forgive me. See what I mean? My monthly premium for our plan, which covers myself, my wife Renee, our 14-year-old son Tommy, and our 21-year-old daughter Lily. The monthly premium for that is $1,765.67 a month. We have no out-of-pocket copay to see our general practitioner, our general doctor, but every specialist, my urologist, my cardiologist, my dermatologist, all of those specialists that you see, it's $100 copay every time you go see them. We have an individual medical deductible of $7,500 for the year, and a medical out-of-pocket maximum for an individual of $10,000, and a family medical deductible of $15,000 a year, with a medical out-of-pocket maximum of $20,000 for the family. So on top of paying $1,765.67 a month, if anything major happened to any of us, I'm still 20 grand out for the year. I'm still going to be paying a shit ton of money for a heart attack, a car accident, something of that nature that's going to require medical care, major medical care. Yeah, it's insane. Now, we have medications. So I take Skyrizi. I take every 12-week injectable for my psoriasis. It costs so much money that I meet my deductible, my $7,500 individual deductible. I met that like January 6th or 7th when I picked up the first injectable of the year. It was in January, and I met my deductible right then and there, which is fucking insane. That was one dose of one medication, and I met my deductible. But yeah, $1,765.67 a month with a $7,500 individual deductible or a $15,000 family deductible, and a medical out-of-pocket maximum of $10,000 for an individual or $20,000 for a family. That's the American healthcare system right there. And for all you people that want to come on here and now say, well, I guess the Affordable Care Act isn't so affordable. It's got nothing to do with the Affordable Care Act. It's got to do with the price of health insurance in this country. The Affordable Care Act has been essentially gutted by the Republicans. People out there aren't getting their subsidies. They aren't getting their assistance anymore, and people are losing their health insurance at a massive rate as a result of it. Obamacare, the Affordable Care Act, worked for millions of people, and now it doesn't work for them anymore because of what the Republicans have done to it. This has nothing to do with ACA pricing. Same fucking price if I went directly to the goddamn company. It's because I'm self-employed. It's because I don't have a group of employees that I work with that our employer can negotiate with a health insurance company on behalf of a large group. It's myself, my wife, and the kids. That's it. So I'm self-employed. If I want health insurance, this is what I got to do. I got to pay tens of thousands of dollars a year in order to have the family covered, to make sure I don't go bankrupt because one of us has something that's going to be $1 million in the hospital.